Monday. Database. We are on week 5, and in database, this is day 8. Alright. There's really no pages for database. We worked on practice 4. That was create a table. In that classwork. Information systems, we really didn't do any whiteboard work on that. And we talked about relationship and entities and tied that in a little bit with our skills example. And we tied it in with this, creating a table. And then that was pretty much the class. So there is we've got an exam on Wednesday, and it covers sections 1 and 2, and we did go over the quiz, and the key is available. You can look at that. And then in the modules, section 2, there is a whole review unit on the outline, and you can use those. There's my solution or my definitions in the outline, and then there is a video per section, or per part in each of the sections. There's actually 4 in which I review some of the key points. Alright, and then that is it.